I got self-sabotage, and I feel like the person that you're asking about, um, they self-sabotage because they feel like it brings them a sense of peace, or being detached gives them a sense of peace. Okay. Hmm. That's interesting. All right. All right. Let's pull one more. Reconciliation, soul tribe, close friends. There is possibility for reconciliation. Um, there's a decision that has to be made here. We did get the world in the reverse, so it seems like there's some resistance to change. There's a blockage. With the high priestess, I wouldn't be surprised if there's someone else involved that is blocking the relationship from moving forward. I'm getting two different messages. So for some of you, I'm getting, take what resonates, but for some of you, I'm getting that um, there is a possibility for reconciliation, and that this is your soulmate, because I did get yin and yang. There are things going on right now um, that it's kind of like a timeline thing. The timing of it is not right. Then I'm getting another group of people that are watching this. They are actually being pushed towards moving forward and leaving this person behind. So definitely take what resonates, because I'm getting different storylines here. All right, so on the bottom of the deck, we did get rebound, flighty, temporary option, unpredictable intentions. So, regardless of which group you fall into, I do sense that this person, they can flip flop a lot. They also might be a Gemini. Take what resonates, but I'm getting unstable energy, indecisive energy, and overthinking energy is what I'm getting. All right. And it's also a masculine energy. Let me, okay. So, let's see. Let's pull Love Angel